Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to give you a quick but clear comparison between two of the most popular travel platforms in the world, Agoda and Booking.com. While both offer millions of accommodation options and convenient online booking, each platform shines in different areas, and understanding these strengths can help travelers to make smarter choices. Let's start with Agoda. Agoda is strong when it comes to price, especially in Asia, because of its deep partnership with hotels across the regions. Agoda often provides lower rates, exclusive insider deals, and attractive discounts that appear at checkout. It is also excels in reward programs with features like Agoda Cash and frequent coupons that help loyal users save even more. On the other hand, we have Booking.com leads in global coverage and accommodation variety. Whether you're searching for hotels, apartments, hostels, villas, or unique stays, Booking.com offers one of the largest inventories worldwide. It stands out with a very user-friendly interface, excellent filtering tools, and strong flexible cancellation options, which makes it ideal for travelers who prefer freedom and hassle-free planning. The Genius loyalty program also provides reliable discounts and perks across thousands of properties. So now for my personal experience, I would like to recommend Agoda if you plan to travel within Asia, as the price and local deals are often unmatched. However, for the global travel anywhere around the world, Booking.com is generally the more practical and reliable choice because of its wider coverage and flexibility.